Okay, so I'm off work this morning, so I've just decided to do a bit of tuning around. Hooked my Texan PL660 up to my long wire. Long wire is about 25 meters long. So I decided to start pretty high up the broadcast bands and see where I'm going. So I have Shortwave info open here on the computer, and it's a great website. I just hit the what's available now button on the 13 meter band. So I decided I'd start off with Voice of America, which is broadcasting in Chinese on 21695 kilohertz, and that's located at Tinang Island, which I take it is in the Philippines by the look of the map. And yeah, that seems to be coming in pretty okay. Bearing in mind that I live in Dublin in Ireland and it's daytime, and I don't think the conditions have been that good the past few weeks, so I'm pretty surprised at that distant signal. But then again, I suppose being Voice of America, I reckon the transmitters are pretty powerful. You know, all that Western propaganda being beamed into China. So let's see what else we've got here. We've got Radio Free Asia, which is being broadcast in Tibetan at the moment. And that transmitter seems to be out in the Pacific somewhere, Tinang Island. So let's turn that down a bit. We'll give that a go. Where's that? 21505. Let's see what's on 21505. Yeah, can't hear anything there. Of course, the BFO doesn't open on the, or doesn't work on the regular AM. So yeah, what else have we got? The sun's pretty strong coming in the window there. Sorry. Anyway, we managed to get the Philippines. This 21675, the Overcomer Ministry. That wouldn't be my cup of tea anyway. I'm not going to listen to that. Okay, let's go down to the 15 meter band. I love this website. It's just really good at giving you targets to go for. There's nothing on 15 meters at the moment, it's saying. Not saying that there isn't, but this website isn't saying there is. Or is saying there isn't, I should say. I do have the World TV and Radio Handbook, but this is just a bit handier. Now, I think that's my sensor light out the back coming on. That's what all that interference is, so I'll just turn that down. So anyway, yeah, I moved. The sun was too strong at the window, and plus the sensor light around the side of the house it's an LED thing. It's driving me nuts. I don't know, birds setting it off or whatever. So I just decreased the sensitivity on it anyway. Yeah, so back to the radio. So we're on 17650 kilohertz at the moment, and that's Radio China. And that's broadcasting out of Kashi-Saibagh, which looks like it's kind of up near the China-India border somewhere. Maybe Tibet, I don't know. This map on Shortwave Info, it's not very detailed, but it just gives you a general idea. So that's not bad. There's a lot of Middle Eastern ones on at the moment on this band, which is 16 meters. I think I'll get those okay. I might try this South African one, 17710. I don't know what station that is. No, it's Deutsche Welle, which is German, obviously, and they're broadcasting out at Meyerton in South Africa, but I can't seem to get that. Okay, so we'll go down and try 19 meters. Let's see what's on. Yeah. Anything there take my fancy. Well, there's something in Madagascar there. I don't think I've ever listened to anything in out of Madagascar before. I'll try that. 15275. 15275. No, not a sausage. Okay. That's 15,400 kilohertz. 15,400. Radio Romania, which is broadcasting in French. I don't speak French. Which is broadcasting out of, like I said, Galbeni or something. Yeah, Galbeni, which is in Romania. Okay. Pretty good quality though. I'm very surprised actually. I've only started shortwave listening a while, but some of the signals are pretty impressive for their quality, you know. And there's 15795 in the States, which is WWCR Nashville. Give that a go. I have an uncle who lives in Nashville. 15795. Nah. I'm not sure, but it's not quite daytime there yet. So 15685 sounds It's not at 85. 690 maybe. Yeah. Sounded Middle Eastern alright. Persian. Radio Farda. I have no idea. But it's broadcasting out of Germany. Out of Biblis. That's obviously it. It's a pretty weak signal. Maybe it's not aimed at me over here in the western edge of Europe. Okay. We'll try the 22 meter band. We'll leave it at that. See if we can pick up something epically far away. Five, 2, 0. It's the voice of Turkey. Is it? Yeah. 13635. Look for All India Radio there. Can't get that. Anyway. So, might just leave it at that. Leave it with the voice of Turkey to play us out. Yeah, so I just thought I'd have a tune around, see what's going on. I was actually looking for some number stations this morning, but I don't know if there's anything coming up. I'll have a look later. Nothing at the moment anyway. This is another good website, priome.org. I'm sure most of the shortwave listeners know it, but if you're just getting into it, it's a website that's been set up that kind of catalogues and lists the times of number stations and when they broadcast, and it's pretty accurate. You know, if you tune in at the given times, particularly for the voice broadcasts, you will get them. And that's not to say that there isn't other number stations out there that, you know, are unknown and undocumented by this website. I mean, by their nature, they're clandestine. So, but yeah. So actually, I never checked the solar indices this morning to see what they were like. Yeah, 20 meters is supposed to be good. Don't know if I looked at that yet. 22 meters, 25 meters, 19. I suppose they're the amateur bands, but in and around there. Yeah. Anyway. So if you're watching this video, sorry for wasting your time. The vagaries of YouTube. Okay, so I'll upload some more things whenever the mood takes me. Best of luck. Have a good day.